If you are an artist, designer, or creative and want to know how I've been making money online since 2013, this is your video. I'm Claudia Orengo. I studied graphic design in Barcelona and Denmark, and after a while working for companies, I realized I wanted to work by myself. I was scared, and many people were telling me I was crazy to quit a stable job, but I was passionate enough, and now, 7 years after, I still make money online from my art and my creations. But in order to have a steady income, I have tried many ways to make money. And I'm going to share with you the 5 ways that are actually bringing me money every month. Number 1, mini services. In my case, because I'm a graphic designer but also an illustrator and I know a lot about coding websites, I can offer custom-made paintings for weddings, for instance, or I can do small design work for clients who need specific things like, I don't know, a packaging or some tags or some changes on their website. And sometimes I also offer consultations and reviews for other creatives or business owners. Number 2, done for you services. Since 2013, I've been signing under the name of Heartmade.es, and what I've been doing is mostly help other creative entrepreneurs with their branding and web design, creating brands that wow their clients and make them unforgettable. But in 2015, I also opened a second project called Lovers Love Loving, where I offer bespoke wedding stationery, mostly made from my watercolor paintings and handmade calligraphy. Number 3, passive income. If you don't know what this is, you must watch my other video, What is Passive Income, and I'm gonna leave the link below here on the description. But for now, let me resume it for you. Passive income, in my case, it comes from digital products. So I sell many different digital products. I do sell my watercolor paintings as clip arts, then I do seamless patterns. I also offer templates, frames, fonts, mockups, many things. And I'm sure you can do many others too. But the idea is that you sell it not only on your website or in one platform, but in multiple platforms. That's how I get this steady income every month. I have a full class sharing all I've learned since 2014 when I started selling my digital products. If you want to join, you will have the link in the description below and also on the top right corner of this video. Number 4, affiliate links. When I find tools and online resources I love, I check if there is an affiliate program I can join, and then I share this on my blog, here on YouTube, and in my newsletter. If someone buys that product, I'll get a commission from the sale. And I must say, I don't do this as much as I could, but I make sure that everything I share is something I've been trying for a while and I'm really happy with it. Finally, number 5, teaching. Passive income is my favorite way to make money, but teaching is what passionates me the most. It motivates me so much. I love sharing all I learn and helping others, and every time I do a class, my energy multiplies. I have experience teaching in person, but lately I've been more doing online trainings, and at the beginning I was afraid and uncomfortable to even hear my voice recorded. But after many YouTube tutorials, all your support and making a habit from it, I'm now pretty comfortable and I just love it. So, I would like to know which of these areas are you already using and which one surprised you the most or you want to try. In just a few seconds, I'll let you know which one I think is the best option to start making money online as an artist, but before, let's see if you guess it. As I said before, I have a class teaching all you need to know to start selling your creations online over and over again as digital products. I'll be super happy if you join. One of the things that my students value the most about my trainings is that I share all what I know from my honest point of view. I don't try to sell overnight success stories. I'm very realistic and I don't want to keep anything for me. I want everyone to experience the same success and more if possible. I believe there is place for everyone. It's not a competition for me. So, you guessed it, my best recommendation for you if you are an artist and want to start making online is to focus on passive income products. It took me 2 years since I started freelancing until I posted the first digital product online, and if I could go back and change something, that would be it. The sooner you start, the better. Now, these are my 5 ways of making money online. Now, please let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and if you like it, please let me know by giving a heart and subscribing to my channel so I can continue sharing my tips with you.